It's December 31st. Yeah, I know what time it is. Not wasting any time, I'm priming my eyes with my Colourpop concealer so I could give my eyelids a great base for the color to pop on, as usual. Then I'm gonna go ahead and just start blending each eye in until I can't blend anymore, and then take it with a sponge and blend it in some more. I love bright colors and glitter, so guess what I'm doing? Today, I'm gonna go in with the Douce palette from Juvia's Place and look at the colors. I will be taking custard, cream, and chocolate. So I decided to blend custard and cream together to make this light pink color. I think it's absolutely beautiful. And then after that, I will be going in with the purple later on. I'm packing the color on and then using windshield wiper swatches to make sure that it's blended into my eye all the way. Oh my, I am loving it. I'm a little hyped right now. I went ahead and added the two colors to my other eye, and then I'm taking the chocolate color and putting it in the corners of both of my eyes. Adding this darker color to the outer corners of my eyes adds dimensions and helps me prepare for the next color. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that darker color in so everything looks like it's all meshed together. Here I'm gonna take a clean brush and just blend everything together again, because you know blending is my best friend when it comes to makeup. Next, I'm gonna take a flat, fluffy brush and use my Zulu palette by Juvia's Place, and then take this purple color and begin to pack it on both of my eyelids. I'm loving this purple, and I know you are too. What I will be doing is packing on the glitter, basically on top of this glitter, like right under my crease on both eyes. So the purple is giving me that background base for the glitter to lie on top of. Don't even know why I'm getting hyped so early, but yes, break it down, break it down, break it. I went ahead and added even more purple to make it even darker. And with the dark pink, I'm just blending everything together to avoid harsh lines again. Yes, when the look is coming together. So I'm gonna take this silver chrome type glitter with this light purple pinkish glitter and mix it all together in my little formulation. Then I'm gonna take this glitter primer and put it on both of my eyelids. As you can see, I'm just applying it right where my crease is on my eyelid. I'm not going over my eyelid, and I'm just gonna do that to both eyes. I'm gonna also apply it to the other eye while the first eye is drying, so I could just do the glitter all in one shot and it could set a bit. It's time. Look at that combination I created. So beautiful. Just a disclaimer, if you are using glitter for the first time to make a makeup look, it will get on your face. So I do suggest doing your eyes before the rest of your face. this. But look at my face. Look at the glow. Get your ass off my face. I'm taking a little brush and just trying to wipe as much glitter as I can off my face before I apply my lashes. Lashes, as well as other big products I used in this video, will be listed in the product description if you missed it. So then I'm gonna go ahead and just start the rest of my face with my foundation. I'm gonna go ahead and start applying it to my face with my fingers, as I always do. Y'all see this in a lot of my videos. Then I'm gonna go ahead and blend it in, apply concealer, apply my contour, and then come back on camera. Y'all know I do not play about my blending. So I'm also going to use the blush from Juvia's Place. This is my first time using it on myself. It's so beautiful. Mixing Lina and Tau, and then applying Sola and Zoba to the apples of my cheeks. Oh, I'm becoming a highlight groupie. I love my holographic highlight, and I'm just going to apply it generously to both sides of my face. And because I'm extra, I'm also going to take this Juvia's Place highlight and also apply it on top of that highlight. Yes. Isn't she pretty? I'm also putting on my nose and other places where light will hit my face. I was a little unsure, but I'm going to add a Colourpop pinkish nude color to my lips, so the focus can be on my eyes. Now, just a little finishing touches before I set my face for the night. So I'm gonna take those purple pinkish colors and add it to my bottom lash line, just to make everything come together. And then add some inner corner highlight, and then here it is, baby, the final look. As you admire this final look, I just want to thank you guys for supporting me for the last 6 months on my newest channel, and to stay tuned for future looks. Now it's time to party. Y'all, I did a good time. Look at this. Look at it. No, but for real, thank you so much for watching this video and all my videos. If you like me, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe down below. Do it. Just playing, just playing. Thank you guys. Just playing. Happy New Year. I wish you abundance and prosperity, and thank you for supporting. Much love. Right there.
No, bro. I see you another day.
Happy New Year to you.
Happy New Year to you.
Another year, another day, another month, January.
Another month. No, that's week because today's Sunday.
But no, Berkeley starts on Monday.
Okay.
Oh my God.